He drools. What? What, you don't like it? You don't like Zoe? You don't like Zoe? You better like Zoe. Come on up here, Zoe. That's Zoe. Where is she? There she is.
You videoing this again?
Hi, beautiful.
Zoe, come here. Come here, Ziggy. Come here.
Shoot.
Ziggy. Come on,
Not doing a
Zoe.
good job here.
Zoe, come.
She's a little shaky.
Come here.
She's nervous.
That's okay.
She's got to learn. I don't think she's been around other bigger dogs,
Come
probably.
here. Ziggy, stop it.
Well, Linda, he's nervous.
I know, but I want him to get used to it.
He's going to start dribbling like a faucet. Sig, well, comfort him. Let him know that it's okay. Now he's not going to want to come near you.
Play with Daddy? You wanna bite my fingers? Huh? You wanna play with Daddy? You wanna bite my finger? Huh? Huh?
You biting Daddy's fingers.
You like nibbling on my finger? Huh?
Oh my God, what a face.
Ooh, he's sliding around.
She's sliding on the tile.
Okay.